I know you didn't think I was staying home again tonight. Oh no, brother, I can see. I'm just gonna have to explain something to you. Oh, it's not like that anymore. Don't you understand that? Don't you realize it yet? Maybe I can make you understand with these few words. I'll try to make it as brief as possible. That's right. I'm all ready. Oh no, brother. You staying home with these kids tonight, 'cause I got plans. You see?